Before moving forward, let us first discuss about significance of a class. Java is a pure object-oriented language. Class is the basis of object orientation in Java. It is a logical construct upon which the entire programming code is built. Programming constructs such as statements, variables, functions, declarations, and initializations are all done within a class in Java, unlike other object-oriented programming languages like C++. The reason behind Java being a pure object-oriented programming language is that in Java all the functionality revolves around classes and objects. A class can be defined as a blueprint. Based on this blueprint, all the objects are created. Let us understand with an example. To understand the concept of a class as a blueprint, let us take the case of hero cycles which are sold in millions throughout the world. This popular bicycle has a blueprint which determines its shape, size, wheel, spokes, brand, color, etc. This blueprint can be termed as a class definition of the cycle. The cycles themselves are objects obtained from this blueprint. A class in Java specifies the state, attributes, and behavior of an object. So, a class definition always has the following: set of variables or attributes, set of functions or behavior. All objects are instances of a class that interact with each other by calling methods. Students, let us know more. Instance variable always get a default value. If you do not assign a value to an instance variable, it still has a value. Integer 0, floating point 0.0, booleans, false references, null. The real world is also filled with objects, each of which has a blueprint. Java can always mimic the real world objects. Nothing can be done in Java outside a class. If you have no classes, you cannot create an object, and without objects, no computation can take place in Java. Hence, class is the basis of all computation in Java. Students, let me tell you how to define a class. A Java program can have more than one class, and the objects derived from those classes interact with each other to solve a particular problem or to provide a particular service. An object, as specified earlier, is an instance of a class. In programming terms, an object is a value of the class type. Classes are complex data types having their own variables and functions. Objects created out of a class are also variables of the type class. Each object created from a class can have different data. Hence, we can say that class is a template for an object and all the objects are instantiated from a class. You will learn about it in the forthcoming lesson, class as a user-defined data type. Students, do you know when a class is declared, no memory space is allotted to it, because a class is simply a blueprint containing objects and methods. The memory space is allotted to the objects of a class type. Let us talk about the class declaration. While declaring a class, one has to follow certain syntactical rules. The general syntax of class declaration is as follows. Syntax: access specifier, modifier, class, class name, class declaration header, curly braces in, variable declarations, method declarations, body of a class, curly braces close, time for fact file. The default values of instance variables and static variables are same. Class header. The square brackets indicate that the values contained within them are optional. The values within angle brackets have to be specified by the Java programmer. The class name is mandatory and is used during the instantiation of the objects. In normal circumstances, you provide a meaningful name like person, employee, car to a class name. Convention demands that the first letter of a class name should be in uppercase. A class name is normally a singular noun. The access specifier and modifier defines whether a class is public, private, final, or static, etc. You will learn about these terms in the forthcoming chapters. Body of the class. The class body is specified immediately after the class declaration. It starts and ends with curly braces. Between these braces, it contains the specifications for the state and behavior of the class. The state is determined by data variables like the instance variables, and the behavior is specified by the function definitions. According to convention, you club all the variables in a class and call them member variables, and all the class functions are called member functions. Please note that function and method are terms which can be easily used interchangeably. The body of the class is specified as follows. Access specifier class name, curly braces in, instance underscore variable underscore declaration underscore A, instance underscore variable underscore declaration underscore B, function underscore declaration underscore A, function underscore declaration underscore B, function underscore declaration underscore end, curly braces close. Let us take a look at real-life example of a class called person. Number 1, public class person. Number 2, curly braces in. Number 3, public string name, semicolon. Number 4, public integer age, semicolon. Number 5, public void display underscore details, parenthesis. Number 6, curly braces. Number 7, system.out.println, bracket in double quote in name is double quote close plus name, bracket close, semicolon. Number 8, system.out.println, bracket in double quote in age is double quote close plus age, bracket close, semicolon. Number 9, curly braces close. Number 10, curly braces close. The very first line of the program declares a class named person. The keyword class specifies that it is a class, and the keyword public indicates that the class person is available anywhere. The curly brace in the second line marks the beginning of the class block. The next two lines specify the data members. Public string name, public integer age. In the given two declaration, name and age are the two data members, also called instance variables or data members of fields. In the fifth line of the code, one function is defined along with the keyword public, named as display underscore details parenthesis. It is used to display the name and the age of the person. The sixth line and the ninth line of the code indicate the beginning and the end of the method. The seventh and the eighth line displays the name and age along with the message in double quotes. The last curly brace specifies the end of the class block. Okay students, let us understand member variable declaration. As you have seen so far, the body of the class contains member variables and member methods for its objects. In Java, member variables are classified into two categories. Instance variable. The variables that are declared inside a class but not within a method are called instance variables. Instance variables are created when a number of objects are created from the same class. Each object has its own copy of instance variables. Time for fact file. Static methods can access only static method or variables. Instant methods can access anything. Let us understand this with an example. In the case of a student class, the variables name, roll number, and age will be considered as instance variables because each object of a student class has its own values for these variables stored at different memory locations. Hence, we can say that every object holds its own copy of instance variable. They are created when an object is created and destroyed when the object is no longer needed. Static variables. Variables that have static modifier in their declaration are called static class variables. They are created when the program starts and destroyed when the program stops. Static variables are associated with the class rather than with any object, that is, all the objects of the class share the same copy of a variable. Let us take an example of the student class. Suppose there are 50 students who belong to standard 10. Defining the variable class name as an instance will occupy memory each time as 50 students, objects will hold the same value, 10. If you carefully observe that the class name variable is related to standard 10 as whole rather than to any individual student object. Thus, class name is a static variable which is shared by 50 students' objects. A variable is declared static if all the objects are supposed to share that data. Let us see the program code for the above example. Class student, curly braces in, static string, school underscore name, semicolon, static variable. Static string class underscore name, semicolon, static variable. String name, semicolon, instance variable. Integer roll underscore number, semicolon, instance variable. Integer age, semicolon, instance variable. Curly braces close. Whenever you declare a new object of the class student, each object will have its own copy of name, roll number, and age. It will share the same school underscore name and class underscore name, which could be set as double quote in the Mothers International School double quote close and double quote in class 10 double quote close. Alright, let us learn about methods in Java. In order to mimic the real-world objects, classes in Java specify both the state and behavior of any object created from the class. You can see that the state is determined by data which is specified by the member variables. The behavior is specified by the functions or methods in the class declaration. In Java, you specify the methods in the body of the class declaration after declaring the member variables. Method declaration. While implementing a function or a method, you have to define the header of the method and then the body. The syntax of declaring a method in a class is as follows: access specifier, modifier, return type, method name, list of parameters. As variables are defined as static and instance, similarly methods are also defined in class as static and instance. The instance methods have an access to both instance variables and static variables, whereas static methods have no access to instance variables. They have an access only to static variables and static methods. Let us understand with an example. Class A, curly braces in, integer A equals to 40, semicolon, non-static. Public class void main bracket in string args, bracket close, curly braces in, system.out.println bracket in A bracket close, semicolon. This line will generate an error. Curly braces close, curly braces close. Instance methods. Instance methods can act on the instance of an object which has already been instantiated from a class. It also has an access to the static variables of the class, that is, the class variables. Static methods. Static methods are prefixed with the keyword static. They are also known as class methods. They cannot access the instance variables which are declared within the class. Let us see the following program to understand the concept of member variables and methods. Example: write a program to print the name, marks, age, school name, and class of a student with the help of instance member variables and methods. Class student, curly braces in, static string school underscore name equals to double quote in the Mothers International School double quote close, semicolon. Static variable. Static string class underscore name equals to double quote in class 10th double quote close, semicolon. Static variable. Public string name, semicolon. Instance variable. Public integer mark, semicolon. Instance variable. Public integer 8, semicolon. Instance variable. Public void set and print data, parenthesis. Instance method. Curly braces in, name equals to double quote in Raman Saluja double quote close, semicolon. Setting values to instance variables. Age equals to 15, semicolon. Marks equals to 490, semicolon. System.out.println bracket in name bracket close, semicolon. Printing instance variables on screen. System.out.println bracket in marks bracket close, semicolon. System.out.println bracket in age bracket close, semicolon. System.out.println bracket in school underscore name bracket close, semicolon. Printing static variables on screen. System.out.println bracket in class underscore name bracket close, semicolon. Curly braces close, curly braces close. Output. Okay, students, let us understand object as an instance of a class. As you have seen in the beginning of this lesson, classes are the blueprints by which objects are created. The blueprint can specify the details of anything in the world, but its concrete version comes through objects that implement the functionality as defined by a class. In the world of object-oriented programming, you have to define a blueprint first, that is a class, and then create objects based on the class. Let us take an example of a class named as car. It has three attributes, that is brand name, model number, and CC. Example: public class car, curly braces in, string brand name, semicolon, brand name like BMW, Mercedes, etc. String mode number, semicolon, model number, integer CC, semicolon, engine capacity. Curly braces close. If you declare the variables car A and car B of type car, we have to specify car A, car B. Here you have a class definition car and two variables car A and car B. It is important to note that till now, no objects have been created. To create an object of a class, the new operator is used. The new operator. The general syntax of the new operator is as follows. Class name, object name equals to new class name, parenthesis, semicolon, or class name, object name, semicolon. Object name equals to new class name, parenthesis, semicolon. For example, car A, comma, car B, semicolon. Car A equals to new car, parenthesis, semicolon. An object named car A of the class car is being created. Car B equals to new car, parenthesis, semicolon. Events after new operator. Once you have used the new operator, several things happen. A new instance object of a given class is created. Memory is allocated for this object. A special method defined for this object in the class called the constructor is executed. A constructor is a method whose name is same as the name of the class and whose function is to create a new object and initialize its variables. It may also create other objects which this object needs. Constructors will be discussed in a separate lesson later in this book. Another note on the dynamic nature of memory management in Java is that when a new object is created, Java automatically allocates the exact amount of memory to it. You do not have to explicitly allocate memory as in some other object-oriented programming languages. Also, you do not have to delocate memory in Java. An interesting feature about Java is that it has an automatic garbage collection process which looks for unused objects that have no live references and deallocates the memory used by those objects. Students, let us understand programming practice. Example: write a program displaying the different model details of a car. Class car, curly braces in, string brand name, semicolon, brand name, string model number, semicolon, model number, integer CC, semicolon, engine capacity, void display underscore car underscore details, parenthesis, method displaying car details, curly braces in, system.out.println bracket in double quote in brand name is double quote close plus brand name bracket close semicolon. System.out.println bracket in double quote in model number is double quote close plus model number bracket close semicolon. System.out.println bracket in double quote in engine capacity is double quote close plus cc bracket close semicolon. Curly braces close. Public static void main bracket in string args bracket close. Curly braces in car A, comma, car B, semicolon. Car A equals to new car, parenthesis, semicolon. Car B equals to new car, parenthesis, semicolon. Car A dot brand name equals to double quote in BMW double quote close, semicolon. Car A dot model number equals to double quote in E63 double quote close, semicolon. BMW 6 series model number. Car A dot cc equals to 5000 semicolon. Engine capacity is 5000 cc. System.out.println bracket in double quoting details of first car colon double quote close bracket close semicolon car A dot display underscore car underscore details parenthesis semicolon car B dot brand name equals to double quote in Mercedes double quote close semicolon car B dot model number equals to double quote in M266 double quote close semicolon Mercedes M266 model number car B dot cc equals to 2034 semicolon system.out.println bracket in double quote close bracket close semicolon system.out.println bracket in double quote in details of second car colon double quote close bracket close semicolon car B dot display underscore car underscore details parenthesis semicolon curly braces close output example. Write a program displaying the details of students in class. Class student, curly braces in, integer roll number semicolon, string name semicolon. Static string school equals to double quote in St. Mary's, double quote close semicolon. Static void change parenthesis. Static method changing name of school. Curly braces in, school equals to double quote in St. Mary, double quote close semicolon. Curly braces close. Student bracket in integer r comma string n bracket close. Constructor is declared. Curly braces in roll number equals to r semicolon. Name equals to n semicolon. Curly braces close. Void display parenthesis. Curly braces in system.out.println bracket in roll number plus double quote in double quote close plus name plus double quote in double quote close plus school bracket close semicolon. Curly braces close. Public static void main bracket in string args bracket close. Curly braces in. Student dot change parenthesis semicolon. Students S1 equals to new student bracket in 111 comma double quote in current double quote close bracket close semicolon. Creating new student object. Student S2 equals to new student bracket in 222 comma double quote in RN double quote close bracket close semicolon. Student S3 equals to new student bracket in 333 comma double quote in Shreya double quote close bracket close semicolon. S1 dot display parenthesis semicolon displaying student data. S2 dot display parenthesis semicolon. S3 dot display parenthesis semicolon. Curly braces close. Output example. Write a program to get the cube of a given number by the static method. Class calculate, class declaration. Curly braces in, static integer cube integer x, method declaration that calculates cube of a number. Curly braces in, return x into x semicolon. Curly braces close. Public static void main bracket in string args bracket close. Main method declaration. Curly braces in, integer result equals to calculate dot cube bracket in 5 bracket close semicolon. Calling the static method cube of class calculate. System.out.println bracket in result bracket close semicolon. Curly braces close. Output example. Write a program to store the data of a country and display their details. The data fields of the country are name, capital, population. Class country. Curly braces in, string name, semicolon, instance variables, string capital, semicolon, long population, semicolon, void display underscore details bracket in country object bracket close, instance method to display details of the country. Curly braces in, system.out.println bracket in double quote in name of the countries double quote close plus object dot name bracket close semicolon. System.out.println bracket in double quote in capital of the country is double quote close plus object dot capital bracket close semicolon. System.out.println bracket in double quote in population of the country is double quote close plus object dot population bracket close semicolon. Curly braces close. Public static void main bracket in string args bracket close main method. Curly braces in country object 1 equals to new country parenthesis semicolon creating a new object. Object 1 name equals to double quote in India double quote close semicolon. Initializing member variables. Object 1 dot capital equals to double quote in New Delhi double quote close semicolon. Object 1 population equals to 1200000000 L semicolon. Object 1 dot display underscore details bracket in object 1 bracket close semicolon. Country object 2 equals to new country parenthesis semicolon. Object 2 dot name equals to double quote in China double quote close semicolon. Object 2 dot capital equals to double quote in Beijing double quote close semicolon. Object 2 population is equal to 1400000000 L semicolon. Object 2 dot display underscore details bracket in object 2 bracket close semicolon. Curly braces close. Curly braces close. Output. Example. Create a program to calculate and display the volume of a cylinder. Accept inputs of radius and height from the main program. Class cylinder. Curly braces in integer r semicolon. Instance variables. Integer h semicolon. Float pi equals to 3.14 f semicolon. Public void volume bracket in cylinder object bracket close. Curly braces in float volume semicolon. Volume equals to pi into object dot r into object dot r into object dot h semicolon. System.out.println bracket in double quote in volume of the cylinder is double quote close plus volume bracket close semicolon. Curly braces close. Public static void main bracket in integer h integer r bracket close. Curly braces in cylinder object equals to new cylinder parenthesis semicolon. Object dot r equals to r semicolon. Object dot h equals to h semicolon. System.out.println bracket in double quote in radius and height of the cylinder is double quote close plus r plus double quote in and double quote close plus h bracket close semicolon. Object volume bracket in object bracket close semicolon. Curly braces close. Curly braces close. Output. Example. Create a program to calculate the surface area of a cube. Accept the length of the side of a cube from the main program. Class cuboid. Curly braces in integer a semicolon. Side of a cuboid. Public void surface area bracket in cuboid object bracket close. Curly braces in integer sa semicolon. SA equals to 6 into object dot a into object dot a semicolon. Surface area of cuboid. System.out.println bracket in double quote and surface area of cuboid is double quote close plus SA bracket close semicolon. Curly braces close. Public static void main bracket in integer side bracket close. Curly braces in. Cuboid object equals to new cuboid parenthesis semicolon. New object is created. Object A equals to side semicolon. Side of the square. System.out.println bracket in double quote inside of the cuboid is double quote close plus side bracket close semicolon. Object dot surface area bracket in object bracket close semicolon. Curly braces close. Curly braces close. Output. Example. Create a program to accept the total amount. Calculate the total amount by adding 6% service tax and 15% VAT. Display the total amount payable. Class restaurant bill. Curly braces in. Float total food beverage amount semicolon. Food beverage amount. Float service tax rate equals to 0.06 F semicolon. Service tax rate. Float VAT rate equals to 0.15 F semicolon. VAT rate. Float total amount semicolon. Float VAT semicolon. Float service tax semicolon. Public void calculate tax parenthesis. Method calculating tax parenthesis. Curly braces in. Total amount equals to total food beverage amount plus total food beverage amount into service tax rate plus VAT rate semicolon. Total amount. VAT equals to total food beverage amount into VAT rate semicolon. VAT amount. Service tax equals to total food beverage amount into service tax rate semicolon. Service tax amount. Curly braces close. Public void display underscore details parenthesis. Displaying the bill. Curly braces in. System.out.println bracket in double quote and total food and beverage bill equals to double quote close plus total food beverage amount bracket close semicolon. System.out.println bracket in double quote and total VAT equals to double quote close plus VAT bracket close semicolon. System.out.println bracket in double quote and total service tax equals to double quote close plus service tax bracket close semicolon. System.out.println bracket in double quote and total bill amount equals to double quote close plus total amount bracket close semicolon. Curly braces close. Public static void main bracket in float total underscore amount bracket close. Curly braces in. Restaurant bill object 1 equals to new restaurant bill parenthesis semicolon. New object creation. Object 1 dot total food beverage amount equals to total underscore amount semicolon. Total amount is passed to the object. Object 1 calculate tax parenthesis semicolon. Calculating tax parenthesis method is called object 1 dot display underscore details parenthesis semicolon. Display underscore details main method is called. Curly braces close. Curly braces close. Output. Example. Calculate the area of a rhombus whose side is 5 cm in length. Hint. Equals to area of a rhombus is PQ by 2 where P and Q are diagonals. The rhombus side is 5 cm and it forms a right angle triangle with half P and half Q. This means that half P and half Q are 3 and 4 or vice versa as per Pythagoras theorem. Hence P and Q are 6 and 8. Class rhombus area curly braces in integer P comma Q semicolon sides of a rhombus. Public void area parenthesis curly braces in float area semicolon. Area equals to half dot of into bracketed P into Q bracket close semicolon. Area of a rhombus. System.out.println bracket in double quote in area of a rhombus is double quote close plus area bracket close semicolon. Curly braces close. Public static void main bracket in integer P comma integer Q bracket close. Curly braces in rhombus area object equals to new rhombus area parenthesis semicolon. New object is created. Object P dot equals to P semicolon. Object dot Q equals to Q semicolon. Diagonals of rhombus P and Q. System.out.println bracket in double quote in diagonals of a rhombus are double quote close plus P double quote in and double quote close plus Q bracket close semicolon. Object dot area parenthesis semicolon. Curly braces close. Curly braces close. Output. Okay students, let us go through the main points at a glance of this chapter. Class is the basis of object orientation in Java. It is a logical construct upon which the entire programming code is built. Classes are complex data types having their own variables and functions. Instance variables are created when a number of objects are created from the same class. Each object has its own copy of instance variables. Variables that have static modifier in their declaration are called static class variables. They are created when the program starts and destroyed when the program stops. Instance method can act on the instance of an object which has already been instantiated from a class. It also has access to the static variables of the class, that is, the class variables. Static methods are also known as class methods. They cannot access instance variables.